When you open the link that was sent to you in a recent email and log on using your username and password that was also sent to you in that email, you will land on this Macfeat registration forms page. The forms are, there is some directions here, but the forms are here in this folder. So if you click on the words Macfeat registration forms, you will find a whole list of forms. There are a lot of them. Thanks. And the general information form is an online form that you can just submit. You can go on, submit it online. It is a rather long form, but you can sit and do it in one sitting. It's not that bad. But we need that information. The agreement of Macfeat policies, I'm going to use this as an example of how to upload your so-called assignment. If you click on the words, the green words here, farther down they won't be green, but they're green here for the agreement of Macfeat policies. You will see there's an attachment here. It's the Macfeat Family Handbook, so you can look at the policies there and find a wealth of other information that might be helpful for you there in the handbook. To open the policies agreement form, you double click on it. I'm not going to do this right now, but once you double click on it, you can open it, fill it out, and save it to your computer. Once you find the file after browsing, you double click on it, and you will see it attached here at the bottom. Once you see the correct file attached, click Submit, and you are done. For help with your digital signature on the PDF form or just entering the information on the form on your computer, please refer to another direction video called Completing PDF Forms Online.